The floral features are commonly used for identification of angiosperm because option A. Reproductive part are more conservative. Option B. Flower can be safely preserved. Option C. Flower are nice to walk with. Option D. Flower have various color and scent. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A, which is reproductive part are more conservative. Key is a taxonomical aid used for the identification of organism. Each statement in key is called option A, couplet, option B, lead, option C, both A and B, option D, none of these. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is option D. The correct answer is option B, which is lead. Which of the following figure represent the correct method of pressing plant to form herbarium seed? Option A. Figure A is the plant part are folded. Option B. Figure B as every plant part is unfolded. Option C. Both figure A and B as folding or unfolding, not matter. And option D. None of these. The correct answer is option B, which is every plant part is unfolded. Botanical garden mainly serve the purpose of providing option A, beautiful area for recreation, option B, reservoir for tropical plants, option C, ex situ conservation of germplasm, option D, natural habitat for wildlife. The correct answer is option C, which is ex situ conservation of germplasm. Study the following statement and select the correct ones. I. Herbarium is a storehouse of collected plant specimens that are dried, pressed and preserved on seed. 2I. Flora provides the index to the plant species found in a particular area. 3I. Monograph contain information on only one taxon. The option is option A, I and 2I, option B, 2I and 3I, option C, I and 3I, the option D, I, 2I and 3I. The correct answer is option D, which is I, 2I and 3I. All statements are correct. Match column I with column 2I and select the correct option from codes given below. Column I, Royal Botanical Garden, Kew, Indian Botanical Garden, National Botanical Research Institutes, Layout Botanical Garden. Column 2I, Lucknow, England, Howrah, Darjeeling. The correct answer is option A, which is Royal Botanical Garden, Kew, which found in England. Then Indian Botanical Garden, which is found in Howrah, National Botanical Research Institute, which is located in Lucknow, and the Layout Botanical Garden, which is found in Darjeeling. Dash E is a taxonomic aid which contains the actual accounts of habitat and distribution of plant of a given area and also provide the index to the plant species found in particular area. Option A, flora. Option B, key. Option C, monograph. Option D, manual. The correct answer is option A, which is flora. Which taxonomic aid gives comprehensive account of complete compiled information of a genus or family at a particular time? Option A, taxonomic key. Option B, herbarium. Option D, monograph. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option C, which is monograph. Match column I with column 2I and select the correct option from the codes given below. Column I, Botanical Garden, Zoological Park, Museum, Herbarium. Column 2I, Preserved plant specimens, preserved plant and animal specimen, living plant, living wild animal. The correct answer is option B. Option B, which is Botanical Garden for living plants, zoological park for living wild animals, museum for preserved plant and animal specimen, herbarium for preserved plant specimen. Study the following statement regarding significance of botanical garden and select the incorrect one. Option A. These help in growing important plant of local flora and keeping their record. Option B. These help in providing living plant material for research work. Option C. These plant in growing and maintaining rare and endangered plant. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is option D. None of these. Read the following statement regarding biological museum. Botanical museums are generally set up in educational institutes such as school and colleges. Museums have collection of preserved plant and animal specimens for study and reference. Specimens are preserved in the container or jar in preservative solution. Insects are preserved in insect box after collecting, killing and pinning. Large animals like birds and mammals are usually stuffed and preserved. The skeleton of mammals are not allowed to be kept in museum. Which of the above statement is or are not correct? Option A. Two eye and third eye. Option B. Eye and IB. Option C. Only V. Option D. Only VI. The correct answer is option D, which is only VI. The plants growing in an area surrounded by a geographical or political boundary will be included in option A. Fauna, option B. Aquatic ecosystem, option C. Flora, option D. Terrestrial. The correct answer is option C, which is flora. Arboretum is a part of botanical gardens where option A. Bonsai are made, option B. Beautification is done, option C. Palms are grown, option D. Big trees are collected in the form of forest. The correct answer is option D, which is big trees are cultivated in the form of forest. The most convenient way for easy identification of plants and animals by applying diagnostic feature is used. Option A. Botanical garden. Option B. Herbaria. Option C. Museum. Option D. Taxonomic key. The correct answer is option D, which is taxonomic key. Read the following statement and select the correct option. Statement 1. Zoological park arrangement are the place where wild animals are kept in protected environment under human care and which enable us to learn about their food habits and behavior. Statement 2. Adequate arrangement for the treatment, medicine, regular checkup, and pathological investigation are absolutely necessary to be made for health care and upkeep of animals. Option. Both statement 1 and 2 are true and statement 2 is the correct explanation of the statement 1. Option B. Both statement 1 and 2 are true, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation of the statement 1. Option C. Statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Option D. Both statement 1 and 2 are false. The correct answer is option B, which is both statement 1 and 2 are true, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1. Study the following statement regarding preparation of herbarium seed. Plants should be collected in flowering stage. Every detail regarding the plant, such as locality, ecological condition, vegetative and floral character, etc., should be noted. Plants are evenly pressed by unfolding. All the plant are get dried. Blotting papers need not be changed until the plant gets dried. After drying, seed is labeled on the lower right hand corner representing the number of plant specimen, date of collection, etc. Which of the above statement is or are not correct? Option A, I only. Option B, IV only. Option C, I and IV. Option D, third eye and IV. The correct answer is option B, which is IV only. Blotting paper need not be changed until the plant gets dried. Match column I with column 2I and select the correct option from the codes given below. Column I, ecology, herbarium, holotype, taxon. Column 2I, relationship of organism and environments, original specimen cited by an author, a hierarchical unit, collection of wild and domestic plant. The correct answer is option C, which is ecology, which join with the relationship of organism and environment. Herbarium for collection of wild and domestic plant. Holotype for the original specimen cited by an author. Taxon is joined with a hierarchical unit.